and welcome to English Audio Lab. I'm Trevor.
And I'm Alicia. It's great to have you with us today.
Today, we are talking about something very important for everyone, no matter where you are from or what you do. We are learning how to say, I need a break.
That's such a useful topic, Trevor. Life can be very busy, and sometimes we just need to pause. Knowing the right words to use in English can make a big difference.
Exactly. It's about communicating your needs clearly and politely, whether you're at work, studying, or even at home.
So, in this lesson, we will help you learn many different phrases, from very simple ones to more natural everyday expressions.
That's the goal. By the end of our time together, you'll feel much more confident. Let's start with a little story. Alicia, this reminds me of last month. I was working on a really big project with a tight deadline.
Oh, a tight deadline. That means you didn't have much time. That sounds stressful.
It was. I worked long hours every day staring at the computer screen. By Thursday, I was feeling so tired. My focus was gone.
I know that feeling when your brain just feels full.
Exactly. My friend called to see how I was, and I told him, honestly, I just need to unwind.
Unwind. That's a lovely word. What does it mean exactly?
It means to relax and let go of stress, especially after working hard. Imagine a string that is wound up tightly. To unwind it is to let it become loose again and relax.
That's a great explanation. So, our minds can be wound up tightly with stress.
Precisely. So I finished my project, and then for the whole weekend, I decided to disconnect. I turned off my computer, put my phone on silent, and just relaxed.
That sounds like a perfect way to unwind. Taking that break probably helped you feel much better for the next week.
It made all the difference. And that's our topic today. The many ways to say you need that time to relax and recharge. All right, let's start with the most basic and direct phrase.
Okay, the simple one.
I need a break. It's clear, simple, and everyone understands it. You can use it when you are studying, working, or doing any activity for a long time.
It's perfect for learners because it's impossible to misunderstand.
Let's practice saying it. Listeners, please repeat. First, very slowly. I need a break.
Now, at a more natural conversational speed. I need a break.
Great. Now, a very common and friendly phrase for a short break is let's take five.
Take five. Does that mean to take a 5-minute break?
Yes, that's exactly what it means. It's informal and very common in team settings. You might say to your colleagues, okay, everyone, let's take five.
I like that one. It feels very collaborative. Let's practice.
Slowly first. Let's take five.
Now at natural speed. Let's take five.
Excellent. Here is one more for a short pause. You can say, I need a breather.
A breather, like from the word breathe.
Correct. A breather is a short rest that lets you catch your breath. It's great if you are doing something physically or mentally intense. For example, this is confusing. I need a breather.
That makes sense. It feels very immediate, like you need to pause right now.
Let's practice it. Slowly, I need a breather.
Now natural speed. I need a breather.
Now, what if you need a longer break? Not just 5 minutes, but maybe a day or a week.
Like for a holiday or vacation.
Exactly. In that case, you would say, I need some time off. The phrase time off refers to time when you are not working.
So you might say to your manager, I'd like to request some time off next month.
Perfect. Let's practice that one slowly. I need some time off.
And at a natural speed, I need some time off.
Now, let's see how these phrases work in real conversations. We're going to act out a few short dialogue.
This is my favorite part. It really helps to hear the phrases in a realistic situation.
Okay, for our first role play, let's imagine we are colleagues at an office. I've been working at my desk all morning. You are my friendly coworker.
Got it. Ready when you are. Hey, Trevor, you've been staring at that screen for hours. Are you okay?
To be honest, my eyes are getting tired. I think I need to step away for a little while.
That's a good idea. A short walk might help.
You're right. I'll be back in 10 minutes.
Okay, that was great. Trevor, you used the phrase, I need to step away. That sounds very polite and professional.
Yes, to step away literally means to walk away from your desk or workspace. It's a very common and soft way to say you are taking a short break at work.
Let's practice that phrase. Slow speed. I need to step away.
Natural speed. I need to step away.
Okay, time for our second dialogue. Let's pretend we are students studying together for a difficult exam. We have been in the library for hours.
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Okay, I cannot read another page. My brain is fried.
I know what you mean. I'm hitting a wall. I can't seem to remember anything new.
How about we take a coffee break, just for a little bit?
That's a fantastic idea. Let's go. Okay, we used two excellent idioms in that dialogue. Alicia, you said, my brain is fried.
Yes, it's a very informal way to say your brain is exhausted from too much thinking, like it's overheated and has stopped working properly.
And I said, I'm hitting a wall. This means you've reached the point where you cannot make any more progress. You're stuck.
Both phrases perfectly describe that feeling of needing a break when you are studying hard.
Let's practice saying them. First, my brain is fried.
Natural speed. My brain is fried.
And the other one, slowly. I'm hitting, yeah.
Natural speed. I'm hitting a wall.
Okay, let's explore a few more useful expressions. Sometimes you need a break not just because you are tired, but because you are stressed or have a lot on your mind.
Right, you need space to think.
In that situation, a great phrase is, I need to clear my head. This means you need a moment to stop thinking about your problems so you can feel calm again.
Though you might go for a walk or listen to music to clear your head.
Exactly. Let's practice it slowly. I need to clear my head.
Natural speed. I need to clear my head.
Another wonderful expression is I need to recharge.
Oh, I love this one. It's like your body is a battery and you need to charge it again.
That's the perfect way to think about it. People often say, I need to recharge my batteries. You can use it when you feel low on energy. For example, it was a very busy week. I need the weekend to recharge.
Let's practice the full phrase. Slow speed. I need to recharge my batteries.
Natural speed. I need to recharge my battery.
Now, for our listeners, let's do a quick listening challenge. We will say a sentence, and you can think about what kind of break the person needs, a short one or a long one.
Ready? Okay, sentence number one. This meeting has been going for 2 hours. Let's take 10, everyone.
Let's take 10 means a 10-minute break, so that's a short break.
Correct. Sentence number two. I've been working too much lately. I feel completely burned out.
Burned out is a very strong phrase. It means you are extremely tired, physically and mentally, from working too hard for too long. This person probably needs a long break, some time off.
You're exactly right. Well done to everyone listening. That was a great listening challenge. And it brings up a good point. There are so many colorful ways to express the feeling of being tired and needing a rest in English. We have learned so many fantastic phrases today.
We really have. We started with the simple and clear, I need a break.
Then we learned friendly and formal phrases for short breaks like let's take five and I need a breather.
And for longer breaks, we have, I need some time off.
We also explored some very natural idioms like I'm hitting a wall and my brain is fried, which are great for expressing that feeling of being stuck or mentally tired.
And my favorites, I need to clear my head and I need to recharge my batteries. They focus on feeling better mentally and emotionally.
The most important lesson is that needing a break is normal and healthy. And now you have the English words to talk about it confidently.
Yes, don't be shy to use these phrases. People will understand and respect your needs. Practice is the key. Try to use one of these phrases this week.
That's a great piece of advice. The more you use them, the more comfortable you will become.
Thank you so much for learning with us today at English Audio Lab. We hope you feel relaxed and motivated.
Keep listening and keep practicing. Your English is getting better every day. We look forward to seeing you in the next episode.
Goodbye for now, and don't forget to take a break when you need one.